Mà sao mà xuất hiện như vậy ta? Nó lóc luôn mà xuất hiện như vậy ta? Tôi cũng đi, tôi cũng cái mẹ nó không trả lời một câu.
Alright guys, so I forgot to do my nail video. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm not home, so y'all bear with me. So St. Patrick's Day is Tuesday or Wednesday. I thought I had St. Patrick's Day stickers. They were St. Patrick's Day tattoos. So I couldn't do my St. Patrick's Day design that I wanted to do. And I only had one day to do my nails before I went out of town. So, yeah. So I did the quickest, fastest thing that I knew how to do. I had some stickers laying around. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn on the... I had some stickers laying around that I had not used yet. And I said, you know what? I need some protection. So I used those. So I had to go quick, like I said. So I did glitter nails. And then I had 2 sets of stickers, and I'll show y'all the other set. So one hand is this set, which is the blue eye in different ways. And then I stuck some rhinestones on there. So this is my right hand. I really wanted St. Patrick's Day to go out of town with, but it didn't happen. So next year I will remember that I don't have any St. Patrick's Day stickers. And I was going to go back in with the green again or whatever, but I just didn't have time. I didn't manage my time to go out of town, and I literally ran out of time. And another reason that I ran out of time is because I ended up fixing this nail. As y'all can see, it's more curved than all the other ones. I had broke this nail, so I ended up fixing it, and I could not get it right. I could not get it right. I kept starting over because I wanted that deep slap your mama curve, and I just ran out of time. So on this hand, I had these stickers. They're different from the other stickers. So each hand has different stickers. They're both blue, but they're different stickers. And like I said, I threw some rhinestones on there. And then I just did the glitter again in between because, and I know I just got out the shower. I know. I just remembered I didn't do y'all video, okay? Don't come for my cuticles. I just got out the shower. I need to lotion up. I need to do what I need to do. But I thought about y'all first. So I was like, I need to do this video. All right. So this is the left hand. I don't know how I feel like all the nails are doing something else, and then I curved this one. But y'all know how I feel about a curve. Y'all know how I feel about a curve. So when it broke, yeah. So it does feel a little weird. Like even when I'm doing stuff, even when I'm typing, it feels a little weird because it is extremely curved. But guess what? You know we're going to make it work because you know I do what I do, how I do what I do, okay? So these are going to be my nails for the next 2 weeks. I'm getting them done over before Easter. So I need to, when I get back home, make sure, and I think I do, but I need to make sure that I have Easter stickers and not Easter tattoos. They look the same, but when I was trying to put the St. Patrick's Day leprechaun and stuff on my nails, I'm like, why is this not sticking? Why is this not sticking? It was a tattoo, and it was the water tattoos. You know, the tattoos that you put water on, and then and I should have bought them with me now that I think about it, because I could have just put the tattoos all over me. I'm gonna save them for next year. But you know the tattoos that you put water on and you stick them on you and you really, anyway, rub the paper off like the kitty tattoos. That's what it was, y'all. So I'm gonna save those for next year, and we're gonna be walking around here with St. Patrick's Day stickers on our face, hands, and everywhere else because they're not going to waste. I was gonna try to find a way. I could not get them to adhere to the nails at all. So yeah, so forget it. This is it. This is it till the end of March, and then I go back. When I come back from out of town, I go back. So she's probably gonna kill me for curving this nail, but she'll get over it as she always does. So these are the nails. Hope y'all enjoy, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Cuando me estaba quedando conmigo, me escribió Luis que le prepararon un pan con jamón. Está pasando otra cosa. Ay, qué bueno.
Ai. Chữ bà hả?
Tenemos que ver cómo lo veo. Y a lo bailo, yo lo veo con limón.